Hello, my name is Jeff Lind, and today I'm talking about our new function checker, the HTT-1R, which satisfies TÜV's requirement that production line test equipment operation be verified with component values which exercise the equipment. In the past, it was sufficient to go to a shift-by-shift test of the operation by using shorts and opens to represent passing and failing results for the ground bond test and leakage test. But those days have now gone by, at least for TÜV and other European test agencies requiring a ground bond test of 25 amps. By choosing one of our standard configurations or custom parameters based on your requirements, the Hipot and ground bond tester in use are checked by realistic component values which mimic the characteristics of your production items. The values used in each HTT-1R are marked on the enclosure for quick verification. The HTT-1R verifies the result of the 3 failure modes encountered in production, Hipot, and ground circuit testing: open ground, high leakage current, and dielectric breakdown, to verify proper test equipment operation. A passing test can also be simulated. The HTT-1R is designed to test up to 30 amp ground bond testers using values to simulate actual operation. To verify proper operation of the ground bond tester, connect the HTT-1R across the high current output. On our GF25 and GF30AC products, this will be between the NEMA 15R receptacle on the front panel and the return banana plug. Ground pass is simulated with a load of 25 milliohms. The ground fail switch on the HTT-1R is set to the green or pass position. Ground fail is simulated with a load of 0.1 ohms. The ground fail switch on the HTT-1R is set to the red or fail position. The HTT-1R also tests the leakage current trip function of the Hipot tester up to 3000 volts using one of 4 standard values. All voltages are RMS values, which are the values shown on the AC or DC meter of the Hipot tester. We will demonstrate the operation of the HTT-1R by using our HTT-1R HEMA tester, which is calibrated to trip at 10.5 mils at 2100 volts RMS, which means it will trip at 10.5 mils at 2100 volts AC or DC. First, we will set the Hipot tester to output 10 milliamps. Then we will verify the voltage output is 2100 volts DC. Now we will connect the HTT-1R with all switches set to green to simulate a passing product. In the case of the HTT-1R HEMA tester, the Hipot tester is presented with a passing load corresponding to 5 mils of leakage current, which still exercises the tester to ensure that it can develop 5 milliamps and indicate a passing result. As you can see, all lights on the Hipot are green and the product has passed the test. Now we will set the HTT-1R to fail by setting the switch to the red side. This presents a load corresponding to 10.5 mils to the tester, and since the tester is sent to 10 milliamps leakage current test, as you can see, this resulted in a fail. That result is correct. The idea is to select the HTT-1R option, which presents a failing load to the Hipot tester, which is above the maximum leakage level you test for at the voltage you use for your Hipot test. We offer failing leakage current levels of 0.7, 3.5, 7.5, and 12.5 mils at 1500 volts AC or DC, and failing current levels of 1, 5, 10.5, and 17.5 mils at 2100 volts AC or DC. If different values are needed for your installation, we can provide them. Finally, the HTT-1R tests for arc detection by providing an open circuit for pass and a spark gap set for approximately 800 volts for fail. The arc can be seen through a small window on the front panel of the HTT-1R. Here is a demonstration of the arc test pass and fail. The patented HTT-1R is provided with test leads which allow connection to any brand Hipot tester which uses a standard NEMA 15A receptacle and banana plug return leads to connect to the EUT and is made in the USA. The manual contains anticipated results and suggests testing procedures. The HTT-1R is provided with an ANSI Z.540 calibration certificate. The HTT-1R is available from stock from our distributors, from Compliance West directly, or on our website. We can be reached at 800-748-6224 or at www.compwest.com. I can be reached directly by phone at extension 102 or by email at jeff@compwest.com. Thank you for your interest in our HTT-1R, and I look forward to hearing from you. This is Jeff Lind at Compliance West USA. Until next time.